Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the grind early in the morning. Find the vibe, then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream of mine. I wanna say my name and light shine so bright that the stars don't have to come out in the nighttime. I'ma make it happen, buy my girl a gas, so we gon' get it crackin'. When you see me grinding, yeah, I'm grinding for you. When they see me shining, know it's all 'cause of you. When I win the Grammy, they gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it, I'll tell them.
Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog. I got love within me, guess it's homegrown. Used to watch ET, now I just phone home. Call my mama, told her that I'm
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Okay, y'all, I love this wig. I couldn't contain myself any longer. But before I give you guys my thoughts on this wig, I just want to send a big thank you to Samsbeauty for sending me this unit to review. All of their information will be listed down in the description box below, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site. Now, we doing better in 2020, y'all. So, when I tell you to go get this wig, you better run, Forrest, run, Forrest, run. Y'all better go get this wig. This wig is the bomb. What? This outrage Neesha who? What you say? Today's wig is by Studio Cut. This is not my first time reviewing a unit from this line. I'll leave my first review down in the description box below, so make sure y'all check that out and show your girl some love. This is the Invisible Deep Part wig, and it comes with a hand-tied curved part. Oh, look at that. That J looks good. And this wig is heat resistant safe up to 360 degrees. I have it in the style natural straight, and it's in the color number 1. Y'all, look at this. I mean, she alright. You know what I'm saying? She alright. But me, I'm killing it. Do you hear me? Killing it. Do you hear me? Hey, killing it. That's me killing it. Get it? No? Who cares? All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the pros and cons to this wig. The only con that I'll have to say about this wig for me, which is more of a personal preference, is that this wig does not come with lace. Now, I feel like when you don't have lace on your wigs, it does leave that huge line of demarcation, and you always have that cluster of hair that sits right there at the front of the parting space, and it's like, we don't want that. Why you got that on that wig? Take that off right now. I did go in and tweeze the parting space a little bit so it can open up some more, and I sped that up, y'all, because really and truly, between me and you, every little thing that we do, I don't know how to tweeze apart. I just speed it up to make it look like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't. You feel me? Okay, so that's gonna be our little secret. But, so I did go in and pluck it out to the best of my ability. Now, when I wanna wear this wig out, I will add some heat to where I applied this, the freeze spray, so that it can lay flat. That is the only con that I have to say about this wig. So let's get into what I love about this wig, y'all. I love everything. Besides the line of demarcation, y'all, I love everything. This wig is just gonna make me cry, you know? As we go to the end of the road. Y'all know I'm dramatic, y'all. The hair on this wig feels amazing. I did receive some shedding and some tangling with this unit, but not really a whole lot of tangling, just when I was plucking the parting space and the hairs came out. But other than that, look at that. Yo, knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. Yo, this wig is the bomb. It feels so good. This wig is the bomb. Okay, we can go ahead and do a nape test. And as you can see, I am catching some snags, but my hand still runs straight through the hair. I have 2 strands of hair in my hand, so it's not like a whole lot of tangling and shedding. I don't want y'all to think that. I will let y'all know. But y'all, my favorite thing about this wig is the parting space. I love how it's curved. It looks so natural. All I did was pluck out the hairs in the front, and I applied some pressed powder, and it is good to go. Now for this to lay flat, I did tell you just apply some heat to it, and can't nobody tell you nothing, okay? Can't nobody tell me nothing. This wig is everything. If you like yucky hair texture wigs, if you like the whole straight look, this is for you, baby boo. This to me is better than the Outre Neesha 203. I said it. I said it. Now y'all know I love me some Outre, but we keep it real on this channel. This hair feels so good. They got me feeling like Remy Ma and Neo. We up in this room and I'm putting it down on you. Cause baby girl, you feel so. This wig is big head friendly. I did have to go in and apply my wig grip because yo, this wig was slipping and sliding. It was too big. I went ahead and adjusted the straps in the back and put it through the second hoop, and it was still too big. Just know that this hair feels good. It's nice and soft. It ain't all scratchy datchy up against my skin. You know I made that word up, scratchy datchy. But y'all, I am really loving this wig, and the only negative is that it didn't have no lace on it. But that's just my personal preference. Once again, I want to send a big thank you to Samsbeauty for sending me this unit to review. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Drop it down below, and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
When I went to Grammy, they gon' know I stay true. And when they ask me how I did it,